Good morning, students. This is Morgade sir, and today we will discuss about COVID-19, full detail of COVID-19, that from where it has started, how it has started, each and everything. We will discuss about near about 40 questions. So let's start. What is the name of given to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? COVID-19. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan city? SARS-CoV-2. Who has declared COVID-19 an epidemic? WHO, World Health Organization. In which Indian state has a full curfew been imposed due to the coronavirus in the first time? Punjab. On which day is the public curfew, Janata curfew, imposed due to the coronavirus? 22 March 2020. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 1? 25th March 2020 to 14 April 2020. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 1? 21 days. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 2? It is 19. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 3? It's 14. How many days remain total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 total? 54 days. Which state became the first state to lock down due to the coronavirus? It's Rajasthan. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? Its lungs. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? It's Hubei. What is the full form of COVID-19? Co for corona, V for virus, D for disease, and 19 for 2019. What does VI in the word COVID stands for? It's virus. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic? Haryana. How much aid has India announced in SARC COVID-19 emergency fund? $10 million. Indian government launches which app for COVID-19 tracker app? It's Arogya Setu. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its users aware of coronavirus? Instagram feed. What feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? WhatsApp chatbot. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of coronavirus? Coronavirus Information Center. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? google.com/covid19. What does the structure of coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope? It looks like a crown. From where coronavirus got its name? Due to their crown-like projections. Coronavirus is related to which disease? It's SARS and MERS. Both A and B is the right answer. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? Fever, cough, difficulty in breathing. All of them is the symptoms. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? SARS-CoV-2 is the virus. What was the new name of coronavirus temporarily? 2019 nCoV. In which language is the name of coronavirus originated? It's Latin. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? Cover your nose, mouth and when sneezing. On 11 February 2020, WHO announced an official name for the disease that is causing 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak, COVID-19. What is coronavirus? It is a large family of viruses. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. Both A and B is correct. In which age group COVID-19 spreads? All the above is right. How do coronavirus transmit? Option is D. A, B, C is also right, but there is all above correct. D. A disease that can be transmitted to human from animal is zoonotic. How long does the virus survive? It is not confirmed how long the virus stays, but studies suggest that it may persist on surface for few hours to many days. Which medicine has India exported to America? Hydroxychloroquine. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transformed from recurrent COVID-19 patient to coronavirus patient who is critical condition. Plasma therapy.